So guys, this is the room from Scarborough, and we have on balcony. This time it's real balcony. Here we go. Woo! We got the ocean view. Oh my god. Well guys, this is the view. So amazing. Here we go. Hi, welcome back with Go Explore with Triano. I'm in the Scarborough Beach. Here we go. Scarborough Beach. Oh guys, it's so cloudy before, but now I can see the sun. Oh, you wanna swim?
Stickles in my way, no thanks.
So weird.
I don't.
He comes to the beach wearing jackets, double jackets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm like the girls going to the beach together.
Yeah.
I just come here to feel warm.
Oh, okay.
Put jacket on, come to the beach,
Oh, okay.
feel warm and then leave.
So,
Oh, look.
where's the sunset? It's still hiding. It's still 4 p.m. today. Wow, I love this. So guys, this is the beach. Wow, it's not only you going crazy.
See? That's the crazy days.
Well guys, there's some activity you can do outdoor in Scarborough Beach, like this wall climbing and or basketball. Something you can do also walking track. What you doing?
I'm trying to climb the Great Wall at Scarborough.
Whoa. Oh come on.
And 3, 2, 1, and action. What? Is it recording? Yeah.
Babe, there's a car behind you. So guys, this is the swimming pool open for public in Scarborough, and there's the beach. What you doing, man?
Training.
Practice? Training?
Training.
You're so fake. I hate you. Babe, have you swum with other girls before?
Yes.
Alright, I don't want to swim with you then.
Okay, cool. Tria, have you eaten food with other guys before?
Yes.
I don't want to eat with you ever again.
Why?
You've eaten with other people.
That's okay.
No, it's not.
I'm with you now.
You
I don't eat
eating
with them.
other guys? Never do I ever want to eat with you again.
Okay, that's alright.
Okay,
Okay, bye.
bye.
Enjoy.
I got the hotel key.
Okay, bye. Well guys, this is the view. Night view from wonderful Scarborough Beach. Morning. Dapat free breakfast. Guys, breakfast time. Had juice.
You got mushrooms after yesterday?
Yeah,
Oh my lord.
I can't stand without mushroom. What do you have?
No mushrooms.
Bacon. Oh, need bacon.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna eat much.
A lot of things we can get from there, guys. Those who have coffee machine, or you can make your own coffee from there. Enjoy. They also have tennis court and also So good of you, babe. Tennis court and also the games room. No, tap it. Yeah.
Oh, I want to
Thanks,
go
babe.
on this ride.
Okay, whatever you want. Whatever you want.
I need to find out if they take coins. Whoa! Here she goes. The young lady riding the speedboat.
I'm driving.
Oh, she almost got knives.
Well guys, it's Saturday. Was thinking gonna have a market here. Oh, but it's already 2:30. There's no people. Prepare for the market, build up something. Looks like there's no Scarborough market for today. So sad. So sad. He didn't get the Moana. Another things to do if you can't find any Scarborough market, you can try local food or restaurant pub here. A lot of options on this way. It is also a good place for the family, playground everywhere. Another playground for the kids.
Me out, mate. I'm playing basketball and a kid. Oh, bubble. Oh, bubble. Oh, another bubble.